Hello everyone, welcome to join Hytera webinar. This is Judy Hao from Hytera headquarters. Here, I'm very happy to announce to you that we have several new products coming out, including a new DMR repeater, a new DMR mobile two-way radio, and one new body camera. Today, I'm going to introduce our new compact DMR repeater, HR65X first, and other products will be introduced following. Well, let's turn our attention to today's first product debut. 2022 is a milestone year of Hytera's DMR products. With rich R&D accumulation, we introduced our brand new H-series DMR products to the world. Following the successful launch of HP6, 7 series portable radios, HM7 mobile radio, and HR106X digital repeater, today we are releasing another compact DMR repeater with engineered layer design, HR65X. The HR65X is designed to offer a better option for indoor coverage. With compact structure design, HR65X can break the limitation of the site construction. It can be easily mounted on the wall, so that you can have more deployment options. Besides, we also consider that customers' portable usage scenarios while developing the product. Thus, we have combined the lightweight ingenuity with the robust design to ensure HR65X superior performance. Well, next, I will introduce this new repeater in detail from 3 aspects. Firstly, let's find out basic info of HR65X. Then, let's take a look at details design that how this repeater fit for indoor deployment of building coverage and portable usage for temporary communication scenarios. HR65X has 2 versions, 25 watts high power version and 10 watts low power version. Consider the heat dissipation. 25 watts high power version equipped with fan. The IP rating is IP54. The other version, the RF power, is up to 10 watts. Fanless design. The IP rating is IP67. A variety of accessories are designed to be compatible with this repeater, including power accessories, RF accessories, audio, carrying, and cable accessories. The external connectors are located on the top of the repeater. These connectors including RF and GNSS antenna connector, power inlet, programming and audio connector, Ethernet and data port. From the front view, you will find the power key on the left, a row of indicators to show the work status. There's one LED shows the channel number. While there is some abnormal situation happen, this LED will show the alarm code and help users to know what problem it is. On the right side is the volume and channel adjust keys. If the repeater is 25 watts, there will be a fan. From the side view, there is USB port, and on the other side, there's battery latch. From the back view, we can find the screw hole that for mounting. As I mentioned at the beginning, we designed this repeater for flexible deployment of indoor coverage. To help customers get flexible option of installation, we adopt the innovative structure design, which gives this repeater completely different appearance compared to previous repeater products. Its compact body with height of 201 millimeters, width 211 millimeters, and depth 65.8 millimeters. Even the 25 watts high power version, the depth is just 80 millimeters. With the internal duplexer, the HR65X considered space conservation properly. Together with the tailored installation accessories, you can easily mount HR65X and realize the site construction as long as there is a wall or a small piece of plan. Its super slim size requires minimum site space, so you can have more deployment options in the building. When the repeater uses a commercial power as a power supply, in case of the outage, the communication is at the risk of interruption. The HR65X with the battery can keep running in the event of abnormal power supply. While the commercial AC power supply is normal, the battery can be charged. In case of the outage, the battery will continue to power the repeater automatically. With this power backup solution, customers don't need to purchase additional UPS. Then, the capital investment and maintenance cost for adding UPS equipment reduced accordingly. This power backup solution guarantees the durable communication during your daily work. When we use HR65X for signal coverage design, the networking is very flexible. For low-rise building, the single-site DMR conventional system is the option for customer. While for high-rise building, HR65X with multi-site networking will be the preferred solution. To set the reasonable repeater size inside building, the HR65X delivers powerful and stable signal to every corner of your building floor. Good signal quality means clear and stable communication. In another word, it makes sure every key message in your business delivered in a timely and accurate manner. If you already have the existing network with Hytera previous repeaters, as your business grows, you can continue to use HR65X as you expand your network. In a word, the strong scalability of HR65X makes your conventional system to your own marrow. Besides, if you are in the process of transition from analog to digital, HR65X will be your ideal choice. It can operate in analog mode, digital mode, or dynamic mixed mode. It can automatically switch between analog and digital based on modes the call it receives. Don't worry about compatibility with your original analog portable or mobile radio. They can continue to be connected to the new HR65X repeater. So, your legacy system investment will be utilized to the greatest extent. HR65X is the ideal solution for you to migrate smoothly from analog to digital with minimal disruption and investment. Once you build the conventional system based on HR65X, the system management becomes a very important task. Well, Hytera Extended Network Management System, XNMS, you can remotely monitor the operation status and receive abnormal alarms of repeater in real time. Or you can update configuration in minutes. This will greatly reduce the time and the resource for maintaining repeaters scattered in different places. In case you find that HR65X is working abnormally, repairing will not be a complicated thing. This repeater adopts the circular modular design. The power amplifier, control panel, and battery adapter board are independent of each other. This will make the maintenance very convenient and easy to operate. Having introduced so much, we learned that HR65X has many design ingenuities tailored for indoor coverage. Not only indoor coverage, this repeater also excels in portable usage scenarios. Why do I say that? Let's go to details. The HR65X only weighs about 2 kilograms. It comes with a dedicated antenna and a lightweight backpack. When you need temporary communication at work, you can easily carry the HR65X in your car or on your back for transport. After arriving at the site, it can be turned on with just one key operation. The 12.5 ampere-hour battery is ready to power the HR65X for up to 9 hours. Such long-lasting battery life provides a good communication guarantee during your work. Not only that, we also designed a solution for replaceable battery. There is an indicator on the battery, and just with one touch operation, you will find the remaining battery power. There is a battery latch with push-pull design. Once the battery is exhausted, the replacing process is super easy, and the HR65X can support you throughout the day with long-lasting power. In order to cope with the harsh environment that may be encountered at work, the HR65X body adopts aluminum alloy and plastic decorative parts, which improves the quality. It conforms to industry standard for ruggedness and IP67 rated for dust and water intrusion. An exceptionally robust design ensures this repeater performance stable and excellent when it is exposed in harsh environment. And when you carry HR65X to your workplace to create effective communication, it can make everyone join in and get connected, which is vital for the smooth working progress. We further improve the receiving performance of HR65X. It means that the uplink coverage of the radios, especially the portable radios, can be increased at least 20%. So, when you want to increase your coverage, it doesn't mean you have to increase your cost of ownership. HR65X just take this issue into account for you. With ultralight, rugged design, equipped with the long-lasting and replaceable battery, improved RX performance, HR65X provides you with extremely high convenience and provides an effective means for you instant communication when you need portable usage. In terms of accessories, the standard accessory of HR65X is DC power cord. Regarding the optional ones, we provide a power adapter that allows HR65X connected to the AC power input. And we provide one 12.5 ampere-hour battery. This battery has a flow charge function, which can provide backup power in the event of the problem occurred with the external power supply. Regarding the duplexer, we provide internal duplexer choice and saved installation space. For the customer who installed the HR65X on the wall, we provide the tailored back bracket for repeater, main unit, and power adapter. If the customer wants to choose the external duplexer, we can provide bracket for it too. When customer want to have portable use, we provide backpack for carrying and antenna palm microphone for communication. Of course, the programming cable is available too. Well, at last, let's just have a brief summary of this product. It is designed for indoor coverage and portable usage scenarios. For indoor coverage, HR65X has compact structure design that's suitable for wall mount. It can save installation space. The backup power solution ensures HR65X continuing services in case of the power outage. HR65X has strong scalability. It can join the existing network with Hytera previous repeater. The multiple work mode can provide you smooth migration from analog to digital. Our XNMS enable the remote monitor and management. The circuit modular design makes the maintenance very easy. For portable use, this repeater weighs only 2 kilograms and easy to carry. The 12.5 ampere-hour replaceable battery guarantees HR65X up to 9-hour operation time and support you throughout the day. If it's exposed in harsh environments, HR65X can still work stable. With improved receiving performance, it can enlarge the coverage. Well, thank you very much for your attention. If you have any further questions about this product, please just contact our local sales for support. Thank you. Next, let's ask Justin to introduce Hytera's new DMR mobile radio, HM6 series.
Hi everyone, welcome to Hytera new product launch event. This is the day we've been looking for 1.5 years. My name is Justin Ho. Today I feel so honored and excited to launch Hytera new generation DMR mobile radios, HM6 series. In the past, our MD series seized the business and low-end market with its good performance and price advantage. It has been widely used in transportation, utilities, forests, and other commercial sectors. However, due to the material shortage, the MD series will have to be discontinued in the near future. At the same time, the low-end market in some countries still has the requirement to migrate from analog to digital. So after countless days and nights of renovation and redesign, we finally are able to bring this new model to the market as the customers call for. Today, we'll introduce HM6 series in 3 different aspects. First, I'm going to introduce 2 kinds of HM6 models so that you can have an overall understanding about this new product. Next, I will focus on the highlights of these products and how it can solve your problems in real life. In the final part, we will have many kinds of accessories for you to choose to ensure the reliable and safe operation of your business. Now, let's have a quick overview about the HM6 series. It consists of 2 products, HM68X with screen and keys, and HM65X without display and keys. Today, the models of 400 to 470 MHz will be officially released. HM6 series covers the original market of MD6 series. HM6 is positioning between MD6 and HM7, the professional DMR mobile radio. So, HM6 is very competitive as an entry-level DMR mobile radio. There are two versions, the enhanced version with GPS and Bluetooth, and the basic version without GPS and Bluetooth, but with lower price. It can be installed inside the car, and it can be also used as a fixed radio on a desk or on the top of the car. For this model, although there is no screen or keypad on the radio, but on the palm microphone, there are screen and keys like channel switch buttons, power button, and of course, the PTT and emergency buttons. You can put it under the seat, inside the glove box, or any other places inside the vehicle. Now let's have a look at the layout of the HM68X. There are two keys besides the screen for volume control and channel select. Below the screen, there are four keys shaped like piano keys. On the left, the 10-pin connector is used to connect with palm microphone and to program the radio. From the back, there are power inlets and connectors like DB26 connector, which is used for second development from the third party. The main difference between HM68X and HM65X is the display screen, key button, and the palm microphone. The palm microphone for HM65X has display and keys, while the other type doesn't. Aside this difference, both of the two models have the same hardware performance, same software functions, and same accessories. Now let's get to know more about some of its highlights. Like I mentioned earlier, the keys below are shaped like the piano keys. They're the answer key, OK or menu key, back key, and end key. There are 6 dots on the surface of each key, so you can quickly locate the corresponding key while driving. And the elasticity of the keys is very good. When you press the key, you can feel the strong feedback, just like playing a piano. Thanks to the half reflection and half transmission technology, you can read the screen clearly, even under strong sunlight. And it allows you to preview the notification on a standby interface and quickly switch profiles so you can focus on driving. Another innovative feature of this model is that you can install Hytera radio management application on your smartphone and connect it with HM6 series mobile radios via Bluetooth. And then you can program the radio and configure some key parameters in a simple and fast way, such as radio ID and channel frequency. So instead of driving all the cars back to the office and program the radio one by one, now with the Bluetooth programming function, you can program the radio anywhere you are and whenever you want. As a radio, the voice is always most important. HM6 series offers noise cancellation function, rating up to 30 dB for both steady noise and impulse noise. Based on neural network algorithms, the AI-based noise cancellation is hundreds of times faster than the conventional technologies. The radio allows the user to adjust the 10 levels of the AI-based noise cancellation to meet different requirements. The higher level indicates that the noise is better reduced. If you want to monitor the noise around you, you can adjust the level to the lowest. The noise cancellation function is very essential for those who work in a very noisy environment, such as on a construction sites, noisy streets, or on highways. Wherever you are, you can always have a crystal clear audio. Also, this new model adopts an industry-leading audio frequency solution to reduce the front-end link loss and improve back-end demodulation capacity. Compared with the old model, the receiving sensitivity of the new HM6 series have increased by 10%, which enables the user to communicate in a wider coverage. And same as Hytera's other radios, HM6 series also withstands harsh temperatures, shock, and vibration, and meets the industry standard test of A10G for ruggedness and IP54 for water and dustproof. The connection between the palm microphone and the 10-pin connector keeps very tight and is very difficult to be loosened. The spiral wire of the palm microphone has excellent stretching ability, which can be used for the many years to come. What's more, Hytera always welcomes the third-party applications and services, and we would love to contribute to the ecosystem of this market. So after signing NDA, we can provide API to the third party for secondary development, including various data services such as dispatch system, public address, or clarity transmission, and so on. Those services will dramatically enhance your safety and efficiency. Moreover, in order to meet the different kinds of requirements of the users in different working scenarios, we have standard and optional accessories. The standard accessories include palm microphone, power cord, mounting bracket, and GPS antenna for radios with GPS feature. And the optional accessories include an external power supply, Bluetooth microphone, programming cable, and so on. Most of the accessories can be used by the old models and the new models. So to make a summary, HM6 series is the perfect choice for the commercial users. It's compact and lightweight, and it's very easy to install and remove. With its high RX sensitivity, you will get much wider coverage. On top of that, you can integrate this radio with your existing or other third-party applications and systems over the open API. And last but not least, it's very cost-effective. So that's all for HM6 series. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you'll find this presentation informative, and I'm sure this amazing product will make a big difference when you purchase it and use it. Thank you. Next, Haley will introduce the 4G Smart Body Camera, SC580.
Thanks for Justin's insightful sharing. I'm Haley Huang from the Overseas Solution Department of Hytera. Thank you for sharing this moment with us.
I'm so excited to introduce you our new Hytera Smart 4G Body Camera, SC580. Here, SC means Smart Camera. As the name fits, SC580 will give you sophisticated smart features such as downstream, video comprehension, and power consumption optimization. How to enhance officer performance and accountability? The best way is to document encounters between the officer and the public. That is exactly what a video recorder can do. This video recorder can record what happened in the scene. However, these on-site videos and pictures in the video recorder are like data silos. Especially during an emergency, the dispatchers in the command center need such data to make a quick response and assign the right people to the right place at the right time. This problem can be only solved by the CCTV camera. It can stream live video to the command center. Last but not least, always-on communication is critical for officers on duty. It helps protect their safety and keeps them connected at any time. No doubt, the best choice is a two-way radio. Buy one, get three. When you get one SC580, it means you get a video recorder, a mobile surveillance camera, and a PTT-OC radio at the same time. SC580 can be used as a video recorder. As facts are recorded and saved completely, the conflicts will be reduced and the transparency will be increased. It also can be used as a mobile surveillance camera stream live videos to improve the situational awareness of commander, helping commander make a quick and correct decision. What's more, SC580 can be used as PTT-OC radio.
Installed with the professional PTTOC app, it enables your officers to communicate with each other. As a body camera, recording is its basic mission. But differentially, I will tell you how professionally SA580 records. How to see better in the dark, especially for officers who work at night. This is exactly what we focused on. Infrared night vision is a well-known technology to make footage clear in the dark. Extremely better than infrared night vision, we adopt starlight night vision technology. To capture clearer videos, we incorporated a professional CMOS sensor into SA580. Let's watch a test video. Apparently, although infrared technology did a good job of recording, the overexposure and lack of color were significant drawbacks. The license plate numbers were still hard to read. Even the street light and car light were overexposed, making parts of the video either too dark or too bright. With one SA580 in hand, there are no longer such problems. Adopting starlight technology, SA580 can record clearer and colorful videos. Do not worry about overexposure anymore. As you can see in this video, the license plate numbers were very clear. A stable video always matters. Officers are often working or running during the encounter with members of the public. Their body movement may affect video stability. To solve this problem, Hytera brings the electronic image stabilization technology to SA580. SA580 can capture a rock-steady video even on the move. Now, let's watch two videos recorded during running. You can find that when EIS is turned on, the image is dramatically stabilized. SA580 takes everything smoothly and clearly. In high-stress situations, officers need to focus on people and events around them. Rather than whether the video recording key is turned on, our SA580 is designed for this purpose. Before your officers actually slide the video recording key, SA580 has already recorded the event for up to 120 seconds. Reliable and trustworthy, SA580 lets you never miss any moment. If the battery isn't working, the body camera can do nothing. This puts great demands on battery power because body camera must be always ready to keep recording every scene, every moment. SA580 meets such demands. We optimize the power consumption and adopt a 3200 mAh high-capacity battery. SA580 can keep recording for up to 12 hours. Just on one charge, SA580 allows your officers to record videos and audio, upload videos, make calls, and use the GPS feature throughout the day. When the battery runs out of power or is not convenient to charge the battery in the field, your officers can directly replace another one to keep working. During battery replacement, SA580 still keeps recording for 3 to 5 minutes. Why? That is because SA580 has a built-in 50 mAh backup battery. Nothing can be interrupted the ongoing recording. Quite a bit of body cameras on the market give no obvious reminder when the recording starts or stops. It often makes officers feel confused, especially in a highly demanding situation. For example, the push to record button can tell the recording status. When the recording stops, officers do not know it and some critical moments will be missed. This inspired us to give a visual design for recording status. We designed a slide to record switch. From the position of the switch, and the background color. Whether the recording is ongoing is stick out a mile. We also designed a dedicated recording indicator. The indicator status tells the recording status. In a normal video recorder, everybody can view, export, or edit the video. But this can happen on SA580. We know how to keep the evidence safe and sound. We adopt the AES-256 encryption algorithm to encrypt the video, photos, and audio on SA580 frame by frame. Without professional tools and encryption keys, the exported file can be decrypted and viewed. Also, the evidence can be tampered with randomly or deleted from SA580. At the same time, we applied hash digital signature technology to SA580. On SA580, each evidence file has an integrity certificate of its own. The certificate includes basic file information such as size and recording time. When collecting evidence files from SA580, our docking software will verify the certificate and recognize the evidence integrity. This may ensure all evidence is secured, original, and authentic. SA580 redefines what a rugged body camera is. It's IP67 rated. When you drop SA580 from 2 meters on the concrete floor or submerge it in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes, no harm will be done. It's particularly impressive for its outstanding durability and reliability. Let's move to the second row of SA580, the mobile surveillance camera. SA580 is mobile. Mobility makes flexibility. SA580 keeps recording whenever the officers go. Unlike the fixed CCTV camera, the camera can be changed its angle according to the actual conditions and go to the dead spots of the CCTV camera or somewhere without CCTV cameras. Mobility provides third-person perspective. SA580 follows officers' eyes and sees what they see. These live videos greatly improve the situational awareness of the dispatcher in the command center. Meanwhile, the resolution of live videos can be up to 1080p. SA580 has a dual stream capability. It means there are 2 streams with different resolution at the same time. SA580 saves the higher resolution stream for local playback and sends the lower one to the control center over the LTE network for remote playback. This enables officers and dispatchers to share the same information in real time, making response faster and more efficient. Additionally, this saves both network traffic of SA580 and bandwidth of the dispatch platform, so your costs will be saved a lot. SA580 retains some functions of the two-way radio. Officers in the field need to keep connected at all times. During emergencies, maintaining critical communication is more important than ever. This is why we developed the professional PTTOC app for SA580. With this app, the officer can make a private or group call anywhere at the press of PTT key. This eye-catching orange PTT key makes it easier to use even in the dark. Except for another SA580, this camera can communicate with Hytera or DMR radios. We also attached importance to audio quality. With noise cancellation technology adopted, SA580 can deliver a clear voice even in highly noisy conditions. What makes SA580 stand out in the market? The answer is 2 cameras, a front camera and a rear one. This front camera is designed for video calls. In the face-to-face call, the officer can know who is talking behind the scream, and see what is going on. Now, I'd like to show you our accessories. This wide range of accessories make you get the most out of your SC580. Batteries, multi-unit charges, and power adapter ensure SC580 extends the work time. Magnet mount, S-mount, and shoulder strap keep your hands free when you're on the move. Life is becoming increasingly digital, so is our work. How to manage and store the mountains of images, videos, recordings, and files from the body camera is a challenge. Now, I'd like to introduce our professional evidence management solution. Let's see how our DEM can modernize your evidence management processes. As you see, our confidence comes from the Digital Evidence Management Platform. We call it DEM for short. DEM can store evidence, process evidence with its AI application, assist you to investigate events based on stored videos, manage cases, and generate the audio report and system failure report. When you relay the on-site video, you may find some bystanders in need. To protect their privacy, you need to redact their faces before you use the footage. DEM can help you do this. As you see, the left video is the blurring process, and the right one is the redacted video, where you can obviously see that DEM leverages AI to detect the checked faces even when the person is walking. Besides face blurring and checking, DEM can cover the face areas or objects with mosaic and turn speech to text. Importantly, no matter how you redact the video with DEM, the original video will remain unchanged. Using evidence is as important as recording evidence. For event investigation, evidence needs to be played back to help officers learn more what happened and obtain the details of the involved person. DEM provides an evidence playback platform. It supports multi-view playback, from which officers are easier to find linkage among videos. When you replay the video with GPS coordinates stamped, you can see the route of SC580 on the e-map. This is valuable when reviewing videos of foot or car chases. In addition, DEM can play the video frame by frame, add text to the video, and share the file with others. All operations on the video will be recorded into the audit log of the video file. The DEM administrator can create multi-accounts for normal users, so every officer can manage the same case at the same time. On DEM, officers can add and share a case, as well as upload and link evidence to case. Beyond all doubt, DEM is professional evidence management platform to help your agency to handle various cases. DEM can monitor all operations on the case and generate an audit report to help officers summarize this case. DEM is maintainable. With an alarm management system, DEM helps technicians shoot problems quickly, so work will never be effective. That is pretty much the end of the introduction of Hytera new smart 4G body camera SC580 and digital evidence management. We hope that they would make it on the top of your list of body cameras choice. Thank you for your time.